Good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone that's out there tonight. Everyone that's enjoying their Friday. Guys, I need you guys to bring it down a notch. Go in the room. I normally don't do Friday night lives. Fridays are my day off most of the time, family time. But there was some information I wanted to share with everyone and some things that I felt was necessary to discuss with everyone that's in the direct mail marketing business or any online business or offline opportunity. This information that I'm going to give you does not apply to any one program. Okay. And I just feel like it's a discussion that needs to happen because it's a lot of things that people don't want to discuss, right? So I felt like I wanted to come on and just share some information with you guys. I won't hold you long, but I just want to also say thank you to everyone who is able to participate in this live. If you can just let me know where you're coming from, and if this where you're from, and if this is a replay, just type in hashtag replay. Hey Shanta, hey Dennis, hey Mona. It took so long for everyone to come in. Hey Vince, Olivia, thanks so much for tuning in. Hey Derek, I see you. Um, hey Eric. So, what I wanted to discuss today is basically direct mail marketing and, you know, some of the pieces of the missing puzzle and what I do and what a lot of people aren't doing. I'm not going to go straight into detail about it because it's something that I want to train people on how to do. And it's not going to be something that I'm going to charge. But I remember when I first got into the industry, I was very confused and I had spent a ton of money online. And if it wasn't for offline, I would have never had any success. Like I was just at a point where if it didn't work, I was done because I had spent so much online and nothing happened. Hey, Deborah. So, hey, Marcus, thanks for tuning in. So, I had a mentor who was into uh, offline direct mail marketing, and he literally took me by the hand and taught me some things. So, for those that don't know, I do have a laser jet printer that I invested in. I have tons of envelopes. I have tons of stamps, and I am very consistent with what I do, and that's why I've been able to cross 30,000 within 3 months with direct mail marketing, and it's going to just keep getting better because direct mail marketing is one of those things that's just not going anywhere. Okay, so with that said, there are two things that most people are missing with direct mail marketing. I don't care what program you're with, whether it's Six Figure Stamp Club, Millionaire Mailer, Cash Club, 30-Day Success Formula, the list goes on. Amazing Stamp Program. I don't care what program you're with. Most people are missing two things that are extremely important for long-term success and consistent results. So I'm going to say it again. Long-term success, go in your room, and consistent results. Most people are missing two things. And what I want to do is I'm going to hold a webinar on Tuesday to go over those two things. Not only that, I'm not going to just discuss it. I'm going to show you what you need to do exactly step by step so that you won't have this discouraging feeling that direct mail marketing doesn't work, because that's where a lot of people are right now. They are at a point where I've been in 2 months or I've been in 3 months and I haven't had any success. Then I have people that are following exactly what it is that I'm doing and they're having major success, right? So what I want to do is basically on Tuesday disclose what you need to do in order to be successful, what it's going to take, and basically show you step by step everything you need in order to really speed up your results, because that's what we want to do. We want to get on offline. We want to start sending out our mailings. We want a quick response. We don't want to have to wait 2, 3, 4 months to get cash coming in. When I first started direct mail marketing, I was making money within my first couple of weeks, and it grew every single week from there on. And in the beginning, it wasn't a lot, but I was just happy that it worked, right? Because if you have something that works, you're going to keep going on, because it's going to keep encouraging you to keep going forward, right? And that's basically what you want to do, is you want to have some type of results as quickly as possible, and you want it to be consistent enough in order for you to keep to stay excited about what it is that you're doing, right? What's happening to most is because they're not getting the results, they're no longer excited, they're moving on to the next program with the same results, which is zero, absolutely none, right? So what we want to do is what I want most people to do is find out where the hole is, right? Because if you're filling up a bucket and water keeps dropping through the bottom, you want to figure out what the problem is, how to repair that hole, so you don't keep getting that water coming through, right? And that's what I want to give you. I want to give people those things that they're missing. That's an easy fix for you to start seeing consistent results within your business. And I want to do it for you step by step. And it's not going to be hard for me to teach you guys, because it's something I've been doing for years, but you just have to be willing to learn and apply what it is that you're being taught. So that's what we're going to go over this coming Tuesday. It's going to be in the evening, so that people who are working can log on after work. I'm going to have a link in the comment section of this video. And I want to tell everybody to enjoy your weekend, to have a great weekend, stay inspired, stay encouraged. Because let me tell you guys, once you have that light bulb moment, it will forever change your life. And sometimes it may take months, and sometimes it may take years. But when it comes, is one of those things that is extremely life-changing, not only for you, but for your family. And just stay inspired, because there's going to be a time where you're going to have much success, whether it's online or offline, if you keep pushing forward. So again, have a great weekend, and I will see you guys on Tuesday. Have a great night.